Ben does an incredible job of staying on top of what the industry standards and what people are looking for in the market. My name is Pat Parker. I'm with Norton Abrasives, a senior account manager. I've been with Norton Floor Sanding Abrasives for 14 years now. I do a lot of training across the country with a lot of different companies, distributors, and contractors. I've had the privilege to know Ben Kimminau for about 8 years now. It's been a lot of fun to watch his business morph from when he first got started to where he is today. Our job the last couple of days, myself with Norton and with RJ with Pallmann, is almost a customized 2-day training course for Ben and his employees. We have gone through the complete sanding process, preparing a floor, get to the base coat, the sealer coats, the finish, intercoat abrasion, literally from start to finish, what the guys will need to do to provide the very best floor that Kimminau Floors can offer. It is refreshing to know that a company is investing in their employees, they're investing in the process. The hardwood flooring industry has changed an awful lot over the last 10 to 12 years. What we do in flooring today is very different than it was 10 to 12 years ago. We get to work with a lot of companies across the country. I think they're all looking for the same thing, but very few invest the time and the money that Ben has done to get the very best products, the very best techniques for him to provide the very best floors for his customers here in the Kansas City metro.